Welcome to lesson 10. In this lesson, we will walk through the steps to create a brand new ASP.NET Web Forms project using Visual Studio. To begin, open Visual Studio and select Create a New Project. From the available templates, choose ASP.NET Web Form application. Then configure your project name, location, and solution settings. After selecting the ASP.NET Web Application template, choose the Web Forms options. This template includes default pages, server controls, and configuration settings needed for Web Forms development. Once the project is created, Visual Studio generates a default folder structure. You will see folders like app data, scripts, and styles. You will also find important files such as default ASPX, site master, and the webconfig file. The webconfig file is one of the most important files in your project. It stores application settings, manages authentication, controls session behavior, and defines database connection strings. Any configuration changes for your application happen here. In summary, you have now created your ASP.NET Web Forms project, selected the correct template, and explored the project structure. You are now ready to begin building your teacher management system. If you have any questions about creating the project or understanding the structure, let us go through them.